Hello everyone, today I will discuss with you what is Porter's 5 Forces model. This is a strategic analysis tool for analyzing the competitive environment, helping companies determine whether an industry is worth entering or continuing to invest. Now, many companies take measures to reduce risks and improve their market position. Porter's 5 Forces model includes the following main parts. The first is the competition between companies in the industry. Competition between companies determines the distribution of market profits. Sometimes, companies need to lower prices or increase promotional budgets to gain market share. Companies can increase their market share in the following ways. First, companies attract customers by lowering prices. Second, companies attract customers by differentiating products through innovation. Although this will increase costs, it can also drive market growth and bring benefits to the company. In addition, companies will use innovative advertising to bring freshness to customers. Companies will also continue to improve product features to maintain market competitiveness. Through these methods, companies can stand out in the fierce market competition. The bargaining power of suppliers also plays a vital role. If the supplier is in a dominant position, it can provide unique or high-quality products. The position of suppliers affects the profit margins and market competitiveness of enterprises. The more choices of suppliers, the stronger the position of enterprises in negotiations. Therefore, companies must have good business relationships with suppliers, but also maintain a certain degree of flexibility. They can choose other suppliers when necessary, thereby reducing risks. In addition, the bargaining power of consumers also puts pressure on companies. Companies need to provide higher quality products, better services, and lower prices to meet customer needs. The bargaining power of consumers depends on several major factors. The first is the number of buyers relative to the number of suppliers. If the number of buyers is much greater than the number of suppliers, then the buyers will have greater bargaining power in negotiations. In addition, there is the degree of dependence of buyers on specific suppliers. If buyers are particularly dependent on certain suppliers, then the bargaining power of suppliers is stronger. The second is the switching costs. If the switching costs of switching from one supplier to another are high, then the buyers will be at a disadvantage in negotiations. Finally, there is the backward integration capabilities of buyers. If buyers can produce the required products themselves, then they will have greater bargaining power in negotiations. The threat of new entrants can also have a significant impact on the capabilities of existing companies. If a new company offers the same product or service, then the competitive position of the existing company will be threatened. But there are also some entry barriers for new companies. Let's take a look at these barriers. It is difficult for a new company to convince customers when it starts, so new companies will not have loyal substitute products or services at the beginning. The threat of substitute products or services can also have a significant impact on existing companies. Products or services provided by other industries or through innovative technologies can have long-term customers. Then existing businesses may have economies of scale or other cost advantages, making it difficult for new businesses to compete on price. New businesses need to comply with various laws and regulations when they first enter the market, which may increase the difficulty of entering the market. Some industries require a large upfront investment to purchase equipment or use funds for research and development and innovation at the beginning, which makes it difficult for new businesses to raise enough funds. Access to suppliers and distribution channels determines whether a new company can operate smoothly. Therefore, starting a new business is a huge challenge because it must overcome many difficulties. The threat of substitute products or services can also have a significant impact on existing companies. Products or services provided by other industries or through innovative technologies can replace existing products or services. When there are substitute products or services, customers can choose cheaper or more suitable substitutes. This will affect the company's market share and profits. Therefore, companies need to continuously innovate and improve the quality of products and services to cope with the threat of substitutes. Thanks for watching. What do you think of this video? Share it with us.